Hey guys, today we are going to be talking about one of the challenges that we have faced this gardening season, and that has pretty much ruined our entire gardening season. So here I am in the greenhouse, and we have been battling these white flies everywhere. They were all over the tomatoes. You can see here, these were where the tomatoes were. They are not here anymore because we had to pull them up because they were just too infested, and yeah, they were just attracting them. And we just pulled them up, and then over here's a tomato plant that was attacked pretty harsh by the white flies. Now, we have found that fly traps have worked good. That's one of the only things that have really worked is these fly traps. We just got these at Tractor Supply, and we also got over here, we got some of this fly paper, and that has worked very good. You can kind of see the little, they're very hard to see. You might not be able to see them, but you can see them right there. They're little bitty white, just like little white dots, and those are the white flies. Now, how we got these terrible things in this greenhouse is that we think it came in on a bag of soil. Now, it started out to be just around the tomatoes, and then it kind of started to get over here on our yellow wax beans, which we did pull those up. And then they kind of started to get on the cucumbers, and now they are going further, and now they are out of the greenhouse and starting to get on the zinnias and the squash and zucchini. So these things are very, very invasive, and they will attack every single one of your plants. The only thing that they have not gotten on is the lemon tree and the olive tree. They're starting to get on the peppers now, and they're starting to get on the canary melons over there. So this is what really made the difference in the white flies. This is Dr. Earth Vegetable Garden Insect Killer. You can see here it says it kills white flies. This has been very, very good. This has been the most help. Now, the sticky traps, or these things, the fly traps, they were helping. You can see the white dots there. Some of it is dirt, but the little white dots there, you can see those were the white flies. Now, they did work. They cut down on the population a little bit, but they didn't really stop it. They cut down on the multiplying some. So you can also buy little bitty sticky traps that are made for white flies. Now, we felt that we did not have time for this in our garden because they were already so invasive by the time we got to that. But there are some traps on Amazon that are made for white flies. Now, this is what the white flies will do. They will suck the nutrients and all of the liquid pretty much out of your leaves, and they will leave this black soot. They call it black soot, I believe. And it looks terrible, and it suffocates the plant. So it's all up here. And then we used to have yellow wax beans over here, but they're gone now because those were really infested. We used to have tomatoes, as I said, but they're infested. And another thing that don't look like they're getting on too bad is the sage right here. Mm-hmm. Are they getting on this any?
I don't think so. I think this is just dry because it's just...
Yeah.
Looks
good.
Summer.
So the sage, the lemon tree, and the olive trees, and what they're not getting on. Now, we recommend for you advice if you are starting to see just even a few white flies in your greenhouse is to take action and be aggressive very quickly, because these things will multiply within days and you won't even know how fast they're multiplying. So we recommend you get sticky traps, get the Dr. Earth spray. I believe we got this from Walmart, right? Walmart. Start right away as soon as you see them, because they will multiply and they'll just take over your plants. We are leaving these for sacrificial plants, which is plants that we are dedicating to just the white flies. We're hoping all of them will swarm to these plants, and then we will spray it, and hopefully they'll get on the sticky traps too.
To try to keep them from the pepper.
To try to keep them from the pepper plants. Now, we are really hoping that these pepper plants will keep on doing their thing. They are doing good. They're looking good. But we're just trying to keep the white flies off of the pepper plants. This is a white fly right here. They're flying everywhere. You can see all of these little white things right here that you're seeing are white flies.
Mm-hmm. And I'm just trying to keep them. I'm trying to get them to go to these two, the tomato plant and the cucumber plant. I spray them heavily, try to kill them to keep them off the peppers.
Here is some. You can see on this pepper, just some white ones. And then they will fly away.
And they're usually up under the leaf.
Yeah, they're usually up under the leaves. You can even kind of see them flying. This is a good example. My mom's gonna spray some of this on there.
And then you'll start to see them fly. See, it disturbs them.
It disturbs them and it does kill them. And hopefully the ones that fly will get stuck on the sticky traps. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning about whiteflies and learning on what to do if you see whiteflies. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see y'all on the next adventure.